Today I thought I'd demonstrate with you how to take a plastic planter and turn it into something that looks like weathered stone. I'm first applying a gray chalk paint for my first color all over this pink basket. I really am just kind of dry brushing, dabbing up and down with my brush. This creates texture. I'm not stroking back and forth, but just dabbing up and down. Here I'm coloring the handle with my paintbrush. Also the bottom, since this will be a hanging plant. And just having fun with this. I really like the way old weathered planters look. Sometimes like something out of a cottage, an old cottage or something in France. I just love that look. So here's my secret ingredient, which is paprika. I have regular paprika and smoked paprika. I went with the smoked paprika because it was a little more orange, and this is going to give me a rust effect to make everything look rusted and old and worn. To apply the paprika, I get the surface wet with my paint. So this is also serving to cover my pink as a second coat and to adhere the paprika. I take my finger and I press it down to blend it in and adhere and give it more texture. Isn't that looking amazing? I just love that already. And this is just an undertone. Now I'm going to add my second color, which is an off-white. It's called Weathered White by Behr. I use this color a lot. I really like it. I'm going over my first coat of gray and around the rusted areas. I don't want to completely cover my gray, and I don't want to completely cover the rusted orange parts. And again, I'm dabbing, and look at the paprika that's getting on my brush, which is absolutely fine because it's going to orange the surface all over and just add kind of that rustic effect. Already it's looking amazing. Of course my plant isn't because it's been in the winter, but now it's going to come back and look really pretty. This is how I rub it in to just give it some more texture and depth. I'm having a lot of fun with this DIY. I've really been wanting to updo this cheap pot that I have. And it smells so amazing when I apply this paprika. I really was getting hungry while I was doing this DIY. I'm now finishing. What I'm doing is going around with my white and just touching up, adding spots where I think need a little bit more of the rust color, and also brushing my white on top of those spots to dull them out. It really is playing with your piece and your art technique here. There's no rhyme or reason, and it's pretty foolproof, but look how amazing. I just love it. The way everything's coming together. It doesn't even look like a plastic pot anymore. As you can tell, I'm really loving the paprika application process. This is the final piece. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I will have a full tutorial up on my blog at nooksandbloom.com. Thank you so much for watching.